So if we take a methane molecule and we were to rip off a hydride, so what that means is we're removing both the hydrogen nucleus and the electron density that comes along with this carbon-hydrogen bond, such that 2 electrons are being removed and the hydrogen atom is being removed. What we end up having is it rehybridizes from an sp3 carbon center to an sp2 carbon center. And what will end up happening is, with losing that electron density, a p orbital now becomes vacant, and that allows for only 3 carbon-hydrogen bonds to be present. Thus, if we start breaking and dividing these bonds 1 electron at a time, so within this one bond, 1 electron can go to carbon, 1 electron can go to hydrogen. If we do that 3 times, carbon will have 3 electrons around it. But we already said that carbon always wants 4 electrons around it, but we only have 3. And so now it has a missing electron from its original 4 electrons. And if you remove an electron, you're removing a negative charge. This carbon now becomes, in this entire system in fact, now becomes a charge of +1.